Hello, how are you? I'm Dennis. Today, I ended up with a problem that I had to do some figuring to figure out how come I was having this problem. Problem is, I was running Paccache trying to remove or clean out my package cache from Pacman, and when I run Paccache space dash R to remove, K to keep 3, which it's going to do by default anyway, it says the Paccache command is not found. So, what do I do about that? I got Pacman and I use it. Pacman is used on when you do updates. So when you use Pacman whether you want to or not, but you gotta clean the cache. So I went to the Arch Wiki and I'd already read that about Pacman some. I knew the commands about how to query or search or install or remove. So right at number 1 here, cleaning package cache. Pacman stores its downloaded packages in this directory and does not remove the old or uninstalled versions automatically. This has some advantages. It allows to downgrade a package without the need to retrieve the previous version through other means such as the Arch Linux archive, or a package that has been uninstalled can be easily reinstalled directly from the cache folder, not requiring a new download from the repository. However, and this is the important part, however, it is necessary to deliberately clean up the cache periodically to prevent the folder from growing indefinitely in size. So you running Arch Linux, whatever the desktop, if you're running Arch Linux and your computer is now starting to slow way down, then I would definitely think about cleaning your Paccache. And you can do some more reading. There's commands that Paccache, it'll actually just show you how much actual room. It'll show you all the programs. But just know that Pacman by itself is not cleaning those caches out, and it will just keep growing. You have to run the Paccache command, which I just did, but it said it was not found. Back to the wiki here, it says, the Paccache script provided within the pacman-contrib pacman-contrib package deletes all cached versions of installed or uninstalled packages except for the most recent 3 by default. Okay, so now it tells me that it's provided within the pacman-contrib. So let's see if I got pacman-contrib. I don't know that I need rights, sudo rights there, but I'm going to try it. Contrib. Wagging ahead of the horse. Pacman-contrib. We got my hyphen. And it says pacman-contrib was not found. So Paccache command cannot be found. It's provided by the pacman-contrib, and I do not have pacman-contrib. Now I installed base and base devel, of course some other programs during the packstrap stage. Everything that I downloaded and installed through the packstrap command, none of it included the pacman-contrib. So you're automatically stuck with ever building Paccache because you don't have a way of cleaning it. So the only way to clean it would be to sudo pacman capital S pacman -contrib. Install that, and you can see it's very small. It's 1 meg or less than a meg when it's installed. So I'm going to clear the screen, Control L, bring the up arrow until I get back to that Paccache. And I'm going to hit enter now, and bingo, we've got Paccache, and we can use it. But it says in this case that it actually found nothing for pruning, and so that's very good. Let me just bring that back, take it down to 2, and see what happens. Alright, so I'm good, very good. Of course, this is a fresh install. And I don't even really have a lot of programs installed on this. I don't know that I have much of anything installed on it. Yeah, I guess a few things. But during that install, it was saving all that cache. And so this is what you're going to run across if you try to run the paccache command and you have not manually installed the pacman-contrib file. Now you know how to clean your package cache. Thanks for watching. Bye.